All right, little mega video. What do we got? Well, there's two things. One, you may recollect that the exterior angle is simply the sum of the interior. But if you don't remember that, that's totally cool. You can also solve for this guy first using triangles equal 180. And when you do, you get something. 180 minus 73 minus 57 equals, not that. 180 minus 73 minus 57 equals that, which is 50. And then, so that's triangles equal 180. These are linear angles which are supplementary, so this plus this is equal to 180, so this must be 130 degrees. All right, let's look at 3. The sum of the two lengths of the sides of a triangle are 3 and 10. The length of the third side is between. So people, at this point, you just got to know that you got to add those to get this, and you got to subtract those to get that. That's just the rule. It works that way. So it is in between these guys here. So hopefully we just can learn that particular rule. For number 4, I'm going to do a little graph paper here because it says put on graph paper, and I like to do what I'm told, especially when I get to use fun graph paper. So for our little graph paper, we've got stuff here. We've got negative 1, 4 is our A, and our B is 2, negative 1. That's our B. We are finding this length, so hopefully at this point you recognize, I need to draw a little right triangle. I count them up. I've got 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have 3 squared plus 5 squared is equal to AB squared. Do our little math. We have what? 25 plus 9 is 54. Square root. Bammo. And that's the answer. All right, so for number 5, interesting that you chose 5 and not 2 because they're basically exactly the same, but that's okay. We have a right triangle who has a hypotenuse of 7 and one leg is 6, and we're looking for the other leg. So it's just Pythagorean theorem. We have our 7 squared equals 6 squared plus x squared, which means 49 equals 36 plus x squared, which means x squared is equal to 13. And when we square root that bad boy, we get 213.